So you guys open up Fortnite on a gaming console like Xbox, PlayStation, or Nintendo Switch, and you notice that your voice chat options are missing. Also, even if you go to settings here, your Fortnite settings, everything is blank. Well, what you should do is just close and then reopen Fortnite. Okay, so I'm on an Xbox here. Same thing with a PlayStation or whatnot. So what you want to do is just click on the Xbox button or the PS button, and then go to Fortnite. And then from there, you want to tap on the top right-hand button on the Xbox. Same with the PlayStation 4 or 5, that little button on the top right-hand side there. Just tap on that. And then for the Xbox, I get quit here. I think PlayStation, it says close game or something like that. But just go here. We're going to go ahead and close it. And now I'm going to go ahead and reopen. So I'm back in. Now I'm going to go to open that side panel there. And then I'm going to go down to voice chat, and you can see it right there. And also, even if I go to settings now, you can see everything is not missing anymore. There you go. Pretty simple.